Yeah, now we are in the Ubuntu OS. So first we need to open the terminal to search the IP address of our server. So as we see here, there is our IP address of our server. Then we need to know the status of our tools integrating the tools. So whether it is the um, active status or in the dead status. So first we need to know about one by one everything. So let's see about Elasticsearch status. So once we knowing we see the status of each and every uh, tool, then we will move to the further process. So as you see, Elastic is also in status active, and the file bit also, and then next Kibana. Then finally the tool is uh, so Wazuh server. So the server also is being active. So then we go with dashboard, which is from so just paste the IP address from the for server. Then you go, so this is the dashboard. You see it's showing the welcome to Elastic. So this is the Wazuh dashboard by the Kibana visualization. So it helps, and it is the plugin to show the uh, visualization. So you see here by clicking it, it shows the agents which are connected to this Wazuh server by the centralized management. So you see this is the full-fledged security server. And then by clicking it the security events, you see here this is the dashboard, and you also see the total hits and the authentication is successful. And by seeing it events, so we can see the logs by um, not by the visualizations. So these are the logs which are generated as events. And we see integrity monitoring. So you see these are the dashboard of integrity monitoring. So by changing the timestamp, we can see the more data generated uh, by Wazuh agents which are connected by the remotely. And then by seeing it, so you can see again these are the largely generated dashboards with enormous logs. Then by clicking the events, you can see the events which are reason for the dashboards. And to show the what the exactly the integrity monitoring does, so by creating a file here, it creates, we are modifying, we are something creating inside of the file explorer, so file system. So now we created a file, and we are adding something in that file. Yeah, so these are the content which I'm going to add in the file. Then so you see again we will just modify the file content by adding our supervisor name. So see, finally just added and then just deleted a file, and then going to achieving back to the server dashboard. So we just refresh to get to reflect the results on the dashboard. So it just takes some time to reflect in the dashboard. So then we see there is some modification in the file of that, so you can see that. And then it is also been modified a file, and somewhat you can see after some time which is added. So you can also see a file has been added here, and then just here like it, if you been has been any changes in the file system, you can see the SOC analyst also can be see here, and then he takes the he takes the responsibility, and he sees, and he watches, and he will take and that we can see another module. So next that one of module we can see here. So we go for the next module, SEA module. There is a security configuration assessment is there. Yeah, by seeing it we can see that vulnerability assessments also is there. So we can also see that there are the dashboards for the MITRE attack. So it helps us to take the active response. And then we can also see those events by through it. And so next we can also see everything here. So this is the final dashboard of everything. So these are the everything that means. Okay, then thank you.